they cannot tolerate the power. By chance, it is a matter of chance that one of our RMPs over here, that when he got the power, he became unconscious. Am I right, Mr. Sarpanch? It happened with you that when the transfer of power was given to you and you were unconscious, and thereafter the treatment was given to you and you came into conscious and you explained so many things. What has happened to you? Please. Now this method of touch and heal therapy or transfer of power with the hands, you might have seen in the serials and otherwise, there is a flow of energy through the hands. I also used to think about it. Is it so? Can it happen? When I was not in this field, but now when we are dealing with it, we are teaching, so it is now a common thing for us. It really happens. Some people feel hot, some people feel cold. The energy is there. We take this energy by invoking. We just invoke the power from the universe and it starts flowing in our body and our hands. And then we pass on that to the persons for all types of diseases. Maybe physically, spiritually, or any type of things. Now the question is, why we become sick? Now the question is very solid, that why we become sick? It is all because of the virus, diseases, bacteria, unbalanced diet. This is one part of it. And the major part of it is, that is our mind. The major contribution in destroying our health, that is our mind. Because of anger, ego, desire, greed, jealousy, etc. Supposing if I am going to abuse somebody, what will happen? He receives that. When he receives that, he becomes angry. When he is angry, it may be rising to BP, it may lead to paralysis, it may lead to heart attack, maybe anything. We are shocked sometimes. This is our mind, how we accept it. Now you might be saying that the ladies mostly in the kitchen, they shout, cockroach! What cockroach is going to harm? But it is a mental status. We accept the things in our mind. And the things, when the disease comes, it first comes to our outer aura. This is our outer aura. The aura is just a magnetic field of our body. It penetrates through the magnetic aura and then it enters into our body, our inner aura. For example, if somebody is having headache, it means he has come from outside and there is the effect of AC or hot or cold. It is in the outer aura. And if it is going to affect on the organ, maybe on the lungs or on any other part, then it is going to affect in the inner aura. The inner aura is of our body. And this is the outer aura. There is a very simple treatment that you might have seen. बच्चे को नजर लग गई है, काम घरों में होता है, तो क्या करते हैं? We clean the aura. लाल मिर्च लेकर मार दिया. We do that one. Or we go to the temple and ask Pandit ji, and he also ground the negative energies with peacock feathers. And as regard the inner aura, that is about the chronic diseases I am talking about. That takes more time. As it takes in the medical science, similarly it takes more time in this case also. There is a lot of role of the crystal in this field, although Reiki itself is sufficient, more than sufficient. It doesn't require any help. What the lacking is in us, we are not in a position to concentrate as much it is required. For example, if I am going to conduct a psychic operation, so it is just like Arjuna with the बाल मछली के ऊपर लगाने के लिए इतनी कंसंट्रेशन की जरूरत होती है इसमें when we are doing it. Is it possible कि हम इतना कंसंट्रेट कर पाएंगे? But we have to do it. With the practice, we are in a position to do it, and I am doing it. I have conducted so many operations like that. So what I mean to say is that concentration is also required in it. When the people are not in a position to concentrate, they require help. For example, ladies normally take the help while going to the bazaar. Maybe a child, छोटा child, चलो मेरे साथ, उंगली पकड़ के चल के. So what I mean to say that we need the crystals at that time, and the crystals are just like amplifying of energy. Now if I am talking to you, you are listening. But if I am talking on a mic, my voice will be amplified. So similarly, with the help of the crystals, we amplify the energy. And it's a marvelous thing that in 1919, in the New York, at that time, the radio was being played and the needle used to flicker. हिल जाती थी. They used the crystal chip and it created 6,10,000 vibrations. Vibration in 1 second. Six lakhs, 10,000 vibrations it created, and the needle was fixed at the station where it was required. So there was a role which was being played at that very time, and now in all the electronic items, crystals are